Have you heard the most exciting news that my latest book is released, Master Your Morning? I am so pumped and excited about this book, not just because I put my blood, sweat, and tears figuratively into creating it, but because of what it's about and how it can transform lives. And so today I want to talk about what makes this book so special. The truth is, your morning is the most powerful time of your day. Research says that the first 20 minutes of your morning is when your mind is most vulnerable. And so if you learn to maximize it, you feed your subconscious with the things that it needs to create the success that you desire and deserve. And this is why we have to take advantage of our morning. But if we're being honest, most of us hate mornings. We despise them. We're exhausted before it even begins. We're anxious and we're overwhelmed, but I don't want that for you. And this is why I've created Master Your Morning. In Master Your Morning, I teach you a seamless process that you can weave into your morning routine, even if you're busy, even if you don't like mornings, even if you've tried all of the things, because the best part is I give you the tools and the strategies and ideas that you can incorporate, and then you get to turn around and make it your own. So grab your very own copy by heading to Amazon and typing in Master Your Morning, Nicolia Williams, and trust me when I say your future self will be so grateful that you did.